Good, excuse me, good morning, fourth graders and parents. Here is your work for Wednesday, October 14th. Again, like I said yesterday, this month is flying by. So let's look at the stream. Move this to the top so it's easy to see what you have. So morning meeting responded to 2 answers on the question from yesterday. So you go to classwork, go to so I guess it wasn't yesterday, it was 2 days ago. But click on this question here about impulsivity. Respond to some people on there. Writing, turn in your Google Doc you've used along with your story map under 1014 narrative writing. So you click on, it's called single point rubric. I'll just change it here. There we go. So when you're on this, you click it, click View Assignment, then you get this screen, and then over here it's got that plus where you can make like a new Google Doc. You click the plus and go Add from Drive, find your story map, find your Google Doc you've been doing, and turn it in here. I will use these to give you feedback on how you are progressing. This rubric tells you what you are being graded on for this. There is a due date on this too. These need to be done by next week in order to do our video project. So please make sure, they need to be done this Friday. Next week we're doing the video project. So please make sure that you are getting that done. Now, let me get back to the stream. Reading, you're going to watch a video and fill out a form. So you go right here to classwork. And right at the top, there it is. It's on cause and effect, something we're going to be learning about some more when you come back. Math, work on your playlist, 20 minutes of Dreambox, social studies and science. Oops, that's wrong. Due Wednesday. Sorry, Thursday. I'm getting all mixed up. I copied and pasted this from group 1. So that is due on Thursday. Alright. Have a great day, and let me know if I can help you in any way, and I will see you tomorrow.